Picture yourself spending years in medical school, drowning in textbooks, sacrificing sleep, and still being broke. The reality? Most medical students struggle financially, relying on loans, part-time jobs, or family support just to survive. But what if I told you there are ways to earn money while studying without sacrificing your grades or sanity? In this video, I'll show you practical, proven ways to make money as a medical student. Whether you're looking for extra cash, financial independence, or even an early start on building wealth, this guide is for you. Medical school is demanding, both mentally and financially. The cost of tuition, textbooks, and daily expenses quickly add up, leaving most students either deep in debt or constantly worrying about money. Traditional part-time jobs aren't always an option. Your schedule is unpredictable, and your priority is studying. But here's the thing. Being a medical student actually gives you a unique advantage in making money. You have specialized knowledge, access to valuable networks, and a skill set that's in demand. The key is learning how to leverage what you already know into real income. Let's dive in. One of the fastest ways to earn money as a medical student is by using what you're already learning. Here's how. Tutoring younger medical students. If you've completed a year or two of med school, first your students are eager for guidance. Offer tutoring sessions for pre-med and medical students struggling with anatomy, physiology, or biochemistry. Research assistants, professors and PhD students often need help with medical research. You can get paid for tasks like data analysis, literature reviews, or even co-authoring papers. Freelance medical writing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are full of opportunities for medical content writers. Write articles, edit research papers, or create educational content for health blogs. The best part? These jobs don't require fixed hours. You can work when it fits your schedule. 2. Online income streams for medical students. We live in the digital age, and that means endless opportunities to make money online. Start a YouTube channel or blog, share your med school journey, study techniques, or healthcare insights. Monetization comes through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Create online courses. If you've mastered subjects like anatomy or pharmacology, package your knowledge into online courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Medical transcription and telehealth consulting. Some companies pay medical students to transcribe doctors' notes or assist in virtual health consultations. This is an easy way to earn while learning. These streams have the potential to generate passive income, meaning you can make money even while sleeping. 3. Side hustles that fit a med student's schedule. Your time is limited, so flexibility is key. Here are some side hustles that fit around your studies. Medical scribing. Work remotely as a virtual scribe, documenting patient visits for doctors. It's great clinical experience and pays well. Part-time clinical jobs. Some hospitals hire medical students as assistants, offering exposure to the field while earning. Becoming a virtual assistant. If you're organized, consider managing emails, scheduling, or social media for doctors or health influencers. All of these options allow you to earn without compromising your academic performance. 4. Using scholarships, grants, and competitions to your advantage. Many students overlook scholarships and grants, assuming they're only for tuition. But there are plenty of scholarships that actually give you cash for living expenses. Some ways to benefit. Apply for medical-specific scholarships. Many organizations offer awards for med students. Look for those aligned with your interests or background. Enter case competitions. Some medical schools and organizations host competitions with cash prizes for innovative solutions in healthcare. Grant-based research. Some research opportunities come with stipends. Seek out faculty-led projects with funding. These funds are free money. Take advantage of them. 5. Investing in passive income strategies for med students. Even with a limited budget, you can start investing. Stock market and index funds. Invest small amounts in ETFs or index funds for long-term growth. High-interest savings accounts. Store emergency funds in accounts with competitive interest rates. Peer-to-peer lending. Some platforms allow you to lend small amounts to borrowers and earn interest. By making smart financial choices early, You can start building wealth before you even graduate. 6. Networking for financial opportunities. Your medical school network is a goldmine. Connect with professors and doctors. They often know about paid research positions or side gigs. Entrepreneurial med students collaborate on projects like medical apps or tutoring businesses. Alumni networks. Former students may have job opportunities or startup ideas. The more people you know, the more financial doors will open. 7. Smart money management for med students. Making money is only half the equation, managing it wisely is just as crucial. Follow these strategies. Create a budget, track expenses, and eliminate unnecessary spending. Use student discounts, from software to travel, take advantage of student deals. Avoid high-interest debt, stick to low-interest loans, and pay off credit cards on time. Being mindful of spending now will set you up for a financially secure future. Every successful doctor you admire started where you are. The difference? They learned how to manage money early. Each day you wait to apply these strategies is a day you could be earning. Don't underestimate the power of starting now. Small efforts today will lead to financial freedom in the future. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment which strategy you'll try first. And don't stop here, your financial education is just beginning. Check out the description for exclusive resources and recommendations. And since you stayed until the end, YouTube has picked the perfect next video for you. It's on screen now. Watch it and take your financial future into your own hands.